Hey, Perry here from Missing Link Social Media. Today I'm going to tell you a little known fact about the Facebook conversions campaign that a lot of people don't know. And the truth is it can really have a huge impact on its performance. So stay tuned, this is really going to help you. So I know it sounds a little bit clickbaity what I just said, but it's honestly true. The majority of people who create campaigns with the objective of website conversions aren't aware that they actually need each ad set in that campaign to be generating 15 to 25 conversions per week for the ad set to be able to optimize for those conversions. As an example, if you've got a campaign set up to retarget people that have visited your website and you want people to inquire via your contact page, you would have the event set up as a lead. So you've got a campaign set up as a conversions campaign and the objective is driving leads. Each ad set in that campaign needs to be driving at least 15 to 25 conversions per week for Facebook's algorithm to have enough data to optimize for those leads. Otherwise, you may as well have set up the campaign to optimize for traffic, so just driving clicks as opposed to trying to optimize for the particular lead event. If you are not getting enough conversions, that 15 to 25 per week in your ad sets, what you can do is change the conversion event. So instead of them, for example, submitting an inquiry, you could create a conversion event for someone who reaches your contact page, because the reality is you're going to have more people reaching your contact page and then you are going to have people actually submitting their contact details, i.e. not everyone that reaches your contact page is going to submit. So you could set up the conversion event to be people that have reached that page as opposed to people that have submitted their contact details via that page, and you're going to have more conversion events for Facebook to recognize. Another example is with e-commerce, right? So if you're trying to optimize for people to purchase your product and you're only getting, say, 5 purchases in that ad set per week, instead of setting it as the purchase event, you could set it as the add to cart event. Because again, the reality is you're going to have more people adding to cart than purchasing, but you might be able to get that 15 to 25 as a minimum number of conversion events for people to for Facebook rather, to be able to have enough data to continually optimize towards that objective. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any comments, just drop it in the comments box and I'll speak to you soon.